I want to thank you all for being here. This is a very special night for the Tampa Museum of Art. When we started the campaign, Penny and Jeff pledged $5 million, and as they saw this really begin to happen, they recently pledged another $5 million. Because of that, it was an easy decision to name the education center the Vinik Family Education Center.
In terms of philanthropy, Jeffrey and I really believe in education, and we believe that the arts and arts education are just so important for adults and for kids. So enjoy this evening and marvel in what this education center is.
Would really like to just thank everybody first for coming here. This is such a unique facility that literally is going to change Tampa, and that's what's so spectacular. My wife, Cornelia, has stepped in and would never, ever give up. And that's the reason we're here tonight in many ways. And frankly, the impossible dream is about to happen.
At the end of the day, this is really a celebration. This is a celebration about the community and a wonderful asset that we have here in Tampa. And we want to make sure that we're making a difference.
I can look around this group and see many, many people who have had a big history in playing a part in this museum, and I thank you all.
The importance of supporting arts and culture could never be understated, and that is woven through education. We have to give our youth the opportunity to be educated, to be able to realize their God-given potential.
The Tampa Museum of Art doesn't just talk about lifting up students, they do it every day. It's the arts that has a greater impact as well and helps this community thrive and grow.
We're a partnership here. We're a partnership with the staff, with the foundation directors, with the board of trustees, and we can't do this alone. It's one vision with a lot of people getting behind that vision.